Meaning of draperies.
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 Draperies. Draperies typically refer to curtains or other decorative fabrics used to cover windows or other openings. They are often made of heavier materials compared to regular curtains and can provide added privacy, insulation, and light control. Draperies come in various styles, such as rod pocket, grommet, and pinch pleat, and can be customized with different colors, patterns, and textures to match the overall decor of a room. Overall, draperies serve both functional and aesthetic purposes in home interior design.